7th, 2025, 1:20 in the afternoon. We got a late start again. Well, we got up early, but late start. We're headed to Elberton, Georgia. Over here, there are 2 lots, maybe 3 we're going to look at. Well, 2 of them are close to the lake. One of them may be on the lake, or the third one may be on the lake. I think one on the lake is a little over an acre, 42,000. One that's close, the 2 that are close to the lake are 3.11 and I think 3.39 for 35,000. So we will take a look at those, and also check out Elberton. Maybe head over whatever road that would be cut through, maybe Bowersville, check on some trains, or maybe go ahead and cross over into South Carolina and explore South Carolina some and spend the night tonight, find a campsite, or work up around 85 or down to 20. Find a truck stop somewhere to stay at, National Forest, somewhere. Or we may end up back at the shop. We don't know what we're going to do. But please like, share, and subscribe. We need it very badly. Our little channel needs to be at least 25 to 30 times as big as it is to do me any good financially. Try breaking even or paying expenses for cameras and gas. And we are getting video with the new Osmo Action 5. This is with the Samsung S22 Ultra. We've got a promotion from Verizon to get a free, well, it's not free, but as long as I keep the service for 3 years, it won't charge me anything for an S25 Plus. I could get an S25 Ultra, but I've already got this S22 Ultra with a terabyte. I just want an S25 Plus or either an S25, and I can get it free but I just have to maintain the service for 3 years. But I want to get that and start getting video with it. I'm not fond of the Google 9 Pro Plus. Elberton Industrial Park, we probably need to get video of that, but we got a late start, so we won't try to do that today. We'll find us something to eat, check out directions to these 2 lots, get video of them. We'll try to get video of them and check out that 3rd lot, or like I said, we may stay somewhere up here tonight, and explore around and maybe look for some property over in South Carolina. I need a base camp to leave out from, or to, I just need a little place. I don't need much, just a little tiny home or a capsule home. I've seen some capsule homes that look fabulous for $18,000. Get a lot for 25 or 30, and capsule home and drill a well, maybe able to have something for less than $50,000. And that's about my price range. That's about it. That is it. That's not about it. That is it. And that's pushing. I've done a lot better these last 6 years. Just had a part-time job, started trying to pack money away than the money I've spent on this blooming YouTube channel. I need a compatible female partner to jump in the van and take off with me, help me do these videos and do some narration, do some research, planning, and all that kind of stuff. But someone where there's mutual attraction and that you can match up and get along with. In close quarters like this van, it's almost impossible. It may be impossible. So we'll just lone wolf it. We just lone wolf it. north would be what we take if we go over to Bowersville or Hartwell. Bowersville is where the old Rio Grande locomotive is located. I actually, listed a video, walking the railroad tracks train video, and featured sort of the old B&O chassis. I forgot the number of it then, but somebody sent me a video with it actually running. Boy, that was great. It's been 14 years ago, but it showed it running. I was wondering how long it had been since that old locomotive had run. I'm going to see if I can incorporate that into a video too. I have bike video. We rode around Elberton one Sunday morning. I like Elberton. I think it calls itself, or it has the title of Granite Capital of the World, or Granite Capital of Georgia. I think it's the Granite Capital of the World. Granite City Restaurant. A lot of granite mined up here. Elberton Granite Museum. How about that? Elberton Granite Museum exhibit. I wonder how much that is to get in. That'd be interesting to go see. And we also, leading out of Elberton over to Bowersville and Hartwell, we got video before and after of the guidestones, before they were destroyed and after they were destroyed. So check those out. Guidestones are an interesting story. I don't know if they ever found out who contracted and put them up there, whose land it was, or what. I guess they have to know whose land it was. Some county tax records. But anyway, there's a lot of controversy. Oh, look at those crepe myrtles. Boy, that's nice. A lot of controversy about them, and people call them devil worshippers and all kind of stuff. So New World Order. They were called all sorts of things, and I don't know. I don't have an opinion about them one way or another. I thought they were very interesting. It's about all I know about them. Oh, we need to be videoing this. I about forgot on the Osmo Action 5, but we got it here with the S22. I've looked at where it was, and it's going out of Elberton towards South Carolina, so we'll pull the map up in a minute and get directions. But I want to go over to the Ingalls and at least check out the Ingalls for lunch. If there's nothing we like there, we'll make a sandwich and then go check out those lots. And then decide whether to head back to the shop or clown around up here and cross over to South Carolina and look, explore South Carolina and stay out tonight. Gas, $2.62. We filled up at $2.75 back in Athens at the Walmart. Down to $2.62, as cheap as it's been in 4 years since the last. I guess I'll just stop right there. Coca-Cola building, is there a date on it? You'd think there'd be a date on it. Anybody have old 6-ounce bottle Coke with Elberton on the bottom of it? Coca-Cola bottling plants, I don't know about the new one. I don't guess you got returnable bottles. I don't guess the new ones have them. But they all had $2.56. Look at that. Cash. All had the city they were made in. We used to gamble on them, see who could get the closest, who could get the furthest. Start pulling bottles out of a 6-pack and see which one was the furthest away and which one was the closest. That may be the road we need. I'll look once we get past once we come out of the Ingalls, we'll look and see. Here it is down here. We'll either get something to eat here or make ourselves a sandwich. I've been buying Ingalls egg salad here lately. It's been good. They need a little bit more vinegar, I think, in it. But their egg salad's been good. It's about $3 for a little container. We might, $2.66 for gas here. We might buy a pack of that and make an egg salad sandwich. Okay, let's turn both of these off. These both should be wraps here. We will start uploading the one off the S22. The Osmo Action 5 will have to be downloaded into the computer, edited, and then uploaded, so it'll be a while on it.